Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you how I utilize Bitsgap's crypto trading bot trailing up feature to capture profits, especially now as it appears we are entering into alt season and a lot of these coins are going parabolic and moving almost straight up. Now, if you're not familiar with Bitsgap, it is an all-in-one trading platform that you basically connect your exchange accounts to the platform via API keys, so you never actually send money directly to Bitsgap. Your funds stay secure on your exchange, at least as secure as they can be when being held on an exchange. So as far as the investment required to get started, you can actually get started for free. I will include a link down in the description down below, and when you use that link, you'll get a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan, and that is the plan that I actually use. Now, after your 14-day free trial expires, you can start with the $19 a month basic plan. That will get you 2 active trading bots. If you think you're going to deploy more bots than just 2, you could step up to the advanced plan. That'll get you 5 active trading bots. And again, as I stated, I use the Pro plan. I typically have somewhere between 10 to 15 active trading bots at any given time. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to it. Now, if you're new to grid trading, the way it basically works is when you deploy a bot, it will set up a grid of limit buy and sell orders. The red lines of the grid are your limit sell orders, and the green lines are your limit buy orders. And the strategy for a grid bot is when the price drops, you're buying at lower prices, and when the price pops back up, you're selling at higher prices. And the spacing between each grid is the percentage of profit you would earn on the way up as the bot sells your positions. Now, with that all being said, one of the unique features that Bitsgap offers is their trailing up feature. And how that actually functions is the grid will automatically move up with the price action. And as you can see on Matic, a bot I deployed just about 9 days ago, the price action started out around 35 cents, and in less than 9 days, the price action has gone all the way up to 95 cents. It has since pulled back and now is starting to trade sideways. But if I had not enabled the trailing up feature, I would have not been able to take advantage of all this price action up to the 95-cent level. More than likely, my bot would have exited the trading grid somewhere around the 40 cents to 45 cents range. I would have had to then close the bot manually and redeploy a new bot. And again, with more movement up, more than likely, I would have had to close the bot again as the price would have exited the grid kill zone, probably up here in the 60-cent level. And in reality, I more than likely would have had to close the bot 3 or 4 times and redeploy due to this parabolic move up to the 95-cent level. But instead, with the trailing up feature enabled, the grid followed the price action all the way up, and therefore I captured this entire move up and was able to lock in profit. If we scroll down, you can see my Matic USDT bot has a profit of $237 on an investment of $948, or a total bot profit of approximately 25%. Now, since the price has actually pulled back recently, my total investment change is actually around 21%. But without the trailing up feature enabled, I would not have captured this entire move unless I manually closed and redeployed the bot multiple times. Now, another example of the trailing up feature working to my advantage to lock in profit would be on Aave. I deployed this bot just over 8 days ago. And if we look at the chart, again, I deployed the bot down around $340. And the price action has run up all the way to $540. So almost a $200 move on Aave. And it's not quite as parabolic as Matic, but nonetheless, without the trailing up feature, I would have been outside of the kill zone and not capture the additional profit available in this overall move. And if we jump over to Adam's chart, where I have earned around $57 on my investment, we again can see where the price action was down around this level here. You can see actual trades that were executed. But since then, the price action has moved up. The grid has moved along with that price action, and I'm still capturing profit. And had the grid not trailed up, I would not be capturing a lot of this profit that I'm currently capturing. And another example of a bot I have deployed with the trailing up feature enabled would be Band. And while the grid hasn't moved a great distance away from the original opening price, it is moving up with this price action as the price action continues to move up. And so I'm locking in additional profit that I may not have had a shot at had the grid not trailed up along with the price action. And another quick example is BNB USDT. You can see where the grid was down around this level, and as the price action of BNB started to move up, the grid is moving up with that price action. And I do have an opportunity to earn more as this grid continues to trail up along with this price action. And so the 9 bots that I currently have deployed, none of them have been deployed longer than almost 12 days. And over half of these bots would not have been capturing the amount of profit they are capturing had I not had that trailing up feature enabled. And in reality, I am still capturing profit as the grid continues to follow the price action up on coins like Matic. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. I really just wanted to share with you how the trailing up feature on Bitsgap can help you lock in additional profit, especially if we enter alt season and a lot of these coins start to go parabolic and you have grid bots deployed on them. You certainly want to follow that price action up and capture additional profit with that price action. So with that all being said, I will be configuring more grid bots on Bitsgap in the future, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss those future videos. And if you like this video, do me a favor and spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop those down in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to Bitsgap in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.